So I kind of look at it as really a shift from selling things today, which most companies, a lot of companies sell a car or they sell a widget or they sell something. And then they just give it, the customer has to deal with it, right? They deal with the servicing of it, they deal with calling in when it breaks and all that type of stuff. But what I saw happen when we were at CareStream working on connectivity was that when you connect a device, you get information from that device and you can kind of change the way you sell that device and service that device and respond to your customers. So that was very clear to me early on because of our kind of advanced experience with connecting things. And I really see it as a shift from selling a thing to selling services, but also selling experiences. I think it kind of goes one step beyond that as well. And the experience with the customer is extremely important. So I kind of see there's like a couple of stages of shift. When a company first connects things, they gather data and they're trying to sort through really what it means to their business. And kind of stage one, a company becomes kind of data aware. They get data, they begin to see what they can do with their own equipment